So today we're going to see if light travels in a straight line.
Welcome to Sathvidya.
This is our science club.
Hi viewers. You might be seeing a light rays travel from a projector or from a laser light or from the sun. Today we are going to see some home experiment to see if light travels in a straight line.
Ready for the first experiment? We need 3 cards with a hole. It can be any shape. Something to hold it. Like I am using Jingo blocks right now. You can use magnets or something like that. A flashlight, a stick, a board, and something to hold that. Now put the cards equally in a right position so that the holes can fit in the straight line. So use this and put this in the holes. See? Look at it. They do fit. So now it's time for the experiment. Get your flashlight, see? And on it. If it doesn't have any batteries, we'll put the batteries on. Now, put the flashlight in the holes and look at the blackboard. You'll see that hole that you cut out.
This proves light travels in a straight line.
Let's check in a different way. Now slightly move the middle index card and get your flashlight and on it. Same thing. No batteries? Then put the batteries in. Now put the flashlight in the hole and look at the blackboard. Where is the flashlight hole that you created? Well, that's because that card is blocking it. This proves that light travels in a straight line. Want to see another experiment? To do this experiment, we need this thing. I will tell you how to make it after this. A flashlight and a blackboard.
Now let's see how to make the black roll.
We need a paper roll, black construction paper, because if you put it in, it doesn't reflect any light. Get your construction paper and put it here. Get your scotch tape or any type of tape. Scotch tape. Okay, so once you're done, get a small piece of paper, put any design you want, and get your rubber band, and I made this design. Look at this. Now get your flashlight with the handle so it doesn't be lost, and you can use the handle to do something cool. On your flashlight and put it in there. Remember the handle I told you? This thing? Now put it back and forth. You'll see how different it looks like. This also proves that light goes in a straight line. In order you want to watch more fun or exciting experiments, keep on watching our videos and you might get more ideas. Please subscribe for more videos. If you like this video, like it and share it to your friends.
And for our notifications, please press the bell icon below. Thank you.